Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Model's Own Nacreous. I'll be starting off with Baby Girl Lacquer Glitter Be Gone. And here is Model's Own Nacreous. Yes, it's a beautiful one. It's a duochrome, maybe multi-chrome. I'm going to go in and cap my free edge first. I really do like to do this first with using, duochromes, multi-chromes. So I am going in with my first coat here. It's a beautiful polish, lovely, nice formula. And this one came from my friend Miss Becky, so I don't really know where this is from. Here we go with our second coat. If I can find a distributor or where you can find these, I will link it in the description down below. But if I don't, and you know of where these come from, leave me a comment, let me know. We gotta work together, Hi Woody, how you doing? So I'll be using the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat today. I'm gonna get this to dry down so that we can do some stamping. As usual, I am hoping to find some more time so that I can do other types of nail arts. Some smushies, gradients, drag marbles, water marbles, that kind of thing. Fingers crossed. Here's a swatch photo of it on its own. And I'll be stamping with Color Alike. And this is, I think it's Solar Galaxy. I'll put it on the screen, I'm sorry. And this is Dixie Plates DP01. And if I can find a link for this, I will also leave it down below. I'm not sure if they're making plates right now or not. I know some of these, some of these indies and stuff, I just, I don't know. I don't know what's available. So I'm cleaning that plate with some acetone and a paper towel. And now we're going to get started. I got my Conad stamper and my Beauty Big Bang scraper today. Now I've decided to just use a few different images off of this plate. They're just kind of scattered around, but they all kind of had that, I don't know, like honeycomb look or lacy look. And so I just went with that. Different versions of it though, so we're just gonna play with it. Here we go with another one. This one's got hearts in it, but on that little nail it's kind of hard to tell that they're hearts, but it's okay. And we're just gonna keep on going around the plate. I did file all the nails on my left hand down. I wasn't having any breaking issues or anything. Just with them getting along, they start kind of getting curvy and wonky, and I just decided to head it off at the pass and file them back some. So here we go with the last one. And this is a really nice plate. This is the first Dixie plate I've ever used, and I didn't have any problems with it. It's etched really well. So I'm going to clean this whole plate up with pure acetone and a paper towel. And I'm going to finish cleaning it up off camera. And now I'm going to pop in with a piece of tape and get this polish off of my finger. This tape trick works so well. And then I'm going to use my acetone and my cleanup brush. I dab mine on the paper towel so as to not just get floody everywhere. And then I wipe it on the paper towel before I put it back in the acetone. But I do that little dabbing thing just because it's just a habit. It's how I started doing it. It's how I do it today. So I am going to get this wrapped up and cleaned up. And go get some top coat stuff going on. I'll be using the Smudge Free from Maniology as my first top coat. That way I can do this without smudging it. Isn't that color pretty? And then I'm going to finish it off with Posh Top Coat. I love it that it's got that pink and purple shift. It is so pretty. Almost blue looking too. Love it. So here's my swatch photo coming up. I'd love to hear what you think about this one. Leave me a comment down below. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching. And until next time, be good to yourself.